This is so awkward.
Hey everyone, today I'm here with my mum.
Hi.
I haven't done your makeup in years, and I haven't done anyone's makeup in years, and she's very tan next to me. She's had a fresh spray tan.
Yes, nice spray tan.
So hopefully this ends up looking okay, and you were late, so
Yes.
I'm rushing.
Story of my life.
One day we might do another one where we actually do something themed, but today we're just chilling out. So, I'm going to start with one of my favourite hydrating bases. I'll hide. It's not working. Hold on. Nah, it's not going to work. It's the Meteorites base by Golan. And I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just going to use my fingers because it's just mum, who cares? Wait, you might want to get like your hair out of it.
I was going to say, would you like me to tie my hair up?
Yeah, here's a hair band.
Oh, cute.
My token.
I'll just be Mummaxo for a little bit. How's that? Is that enough?
Yeah. So what have you been doing all afternoon?
Oh, I've been at work.
Yes.
I mean, I had to go and do a delivery, and then I had to go and do a speed shop.
Speed shop? Why?
Speed shop because there's a pop-up clothing store.
Mum, is that why you were late?
No, well, partly. I just left work too late.
Mum's like, we've been using this. It's actually the NARS one that it's my favourite foundation, so we'll go to go. Yeah.
Oh, funny. I hope it's not the same, is it the same
It's
shade?
not the same shade.
Oh, cool.
And I've got a lighter one to maybe mix. Just, don't know what I'm doing.
This is wedding makeup today. Not my wedding.
Whose wedding is it?
Claire and Gareth. I'm not sure if you would have met them, but they're lovely. They live
so.
just out of Taihape.
I like it.
So, very excited for them and their little kitties. I left my, I did leave the tan on probably a fraction long.
Yeah, maybe.
But, it's okay. Just looks like I've been on a tropical island for 6 months.
Yeah, or a year.
Yeah.
I've never seen you this time.
I know.
It's kind of like doing my own face, except different.
It's the same but different.
Same but different.
Yeah.
Oh, God, I haven't done any. I hope this doesn't turn out like shit, you know, because I haven't done anyone else's makeup in I stabbed you a very long time.
I'm sure it'll be lovely, darling. At least you know what you're doing. I slap it all on and who knows how I look.
Kind of. This is the Hoola, Do the Hoola, which is a liquid bronzer.
A liquid bronzer, I've never had that on before.
It's like putting it like on the cheeks and temples, like where you'd put bronzer later.
Yeah. Is that just to give a bit of depth?
Yeah. And like darken it up because it's a bit pale.
You're not going to make me look like I've got an inch of makeup on, are you?
Hopefully not. Maybe.
I need to have another look at it.
I can't do this with one hand.
Sorry. Okay, it's just so stunning.
This is the Charlotte Tilbury like Chocolat French.
Sounds fancy.
Well, that's not actually what it's called. It's called the Magic Retoucher, but it's just like a light coverage. I feel like you don't really have that bad under eyes. It's just,
Oh my goodness, I thought I did this morning. It looked terrible.
well, it's just dull. Like you don't have
drink.
like purple like me.
Drink more water.
I do. I drink a gallon a day.
What's a gallon?
Like 4 freaking litres or something.
That's good. Okay.
It's a huge drink bottle I got sent it, and Hamish thinks it's such a joke. He's like, that's probably too much. I don't care. I still try. I'm using my left hand, but I'm not left-handed because I can't see.
Cool.
What's your good side? Do you have a good side?
I think so, but I can never remember.
This is my good side.
Maybe it's this side.
I don't know. Your cheekbones look more intense on that side, I think.
Which
Maybe.
side?
This side that's showing the camera.
Oh.
Yeah, I think your cheekbones are more intense on that side.
Is that a good thing?
Yeah.
I noticed since I've lost a little bit of weight that my cheekbones stick out more now.
Yeah. I wish mine did. I've just got a friggin' puffy. Yeah, but not like yours. Mine. I've just got a puffy face. Like, I don't know who I got that off.
Oh, I don't think it's puffy, darling.
Maybe I use the Charlotte Tilbury in medium. I'm definitely gonna have to boost your skin with bronzer. So pale. Why is that medium? I don't even know if I'm gonna have enough dark powder for your... I'm gonna use my favourite bronzer to literally make Mum 4 shades darker than she is right now.
Yeah, no, it was meant to be taken off in 3 hours, but Conrad and I went out for a drink, and it might have been about 5 hours.
No, look, this is already looking better. Look in the camera, like, look in that now, like it already
Oh yeah, I see there's a bit more sort of depth, is that what you'd say?
So I'm using it like on your cheeks, like blush almost.
Mm-hmm. This is nice. Normally it's me running around throwing things all over my face.
Mm-hmm. I haven't had someone else do my makeup in the longest time. People keep asking me for my wedding, am I going to have someone else do my makeup? But I can't imagine being happy with whatever someone else would do. But at the same time, I'm like, I think I'll get a makeup artist to like do all the, like you and the bridesmaids and stuff.
Ooh,
and then like they can be there to help me if I like want them to do certain bits. And then I can still have the option of like doing most of it.
Why don't I do your makeup one day? You can see if I'm any good. No.
contour. We don't need to do much because you've got intense cheekbones as it is, but we'll do a little wee bit. It's the matte contour kit.
I quite like my cheekbones.
Yeah, you've got
Just something to like.
What do you mean?
Well, you know, we all have these little quirks that we like and don't like, and
Might just go ahead and do the blush and stuff now,
okay.
because I know what kind of colours you like.
Yes.
I think this will be pretty. This is the California by Benefit. Nice peachy pinky.
Oh, I normally go real pink.
Yeah, I know.
Do you think? Oh,
No, I think this will look nice.
Oh, something different.
I was gonna go like baby pink, but it's nice. Because you're tan too, remember? So if I do baby pink on you, I think actually it might be a bit.
Yeah, I probably
strong.
wouldn't go baby pink either. But this is cool. This is something different.
Yeah, it's super nice.
I trust you.
Look in there. Look. I haven't done much. Do you want more?
Do you think I need more though?
No.
No.
But sometimes you wear a lot, that's all. No, not in a bad way. I'm just saying,
Right.
sometimes you like your blush look.
I do actually. I do like it when, it's obvious that I'm wearing blush. I'm not sure why. I think it's possibly just that it gives me a bit of colour and I like it, and it sort of gives a bit of shape, dose of colours. So cute. Cute packaging. Oh, that's pretty too. That's not what we're using today. It's just what I'm showing you.
I'm gonna start with a little bit of Aurora. I'd rather use Lucent, but I don't know where my Lucent is because it's a little bit darker.
Oh.
This is like a lit from within highlighter. Mum already knows. Oh, here comes. See, this is what happens when I'm filming my videos.
The sun comes
Can't
out.
even like.
And then it gets brighter and you can't look.
Can't see anything. This is why I struggle to film this time of day. But oh well, we'll just work with it. I do have like artificial lighting, but it's just like when I'm doing your makeup for something nice, like you kind of want natural lighting to make sure. Oh, now it's gone back. You know, you want to do your makeup in natural lighting so that, because it can look different if you do your, it's like if you do your makeup in the bathroom or something.
Yeah.
And then you go outside and it's like, oh, hello.
When I do my makeup in the bathroom, it's getting a bit later in the day. Oh my goodness, it's so hard to do it.
Yeah.
It's almost like
See
I
look how
almost
nice
shut
that
my
looks.
eyes.
It's like lit from within, like it's not like a, like if you compare mine's like a very chunky shimmery one, which still looks nice.
Yeah, yours is very obvious.
But yours is like a,
Just a bit
it's like
subtle, that's nice. Yeah, I like that.
but it's also glowy, it's not shimmery. Like it just glows. You can use this one wet too, but I'm just going to do dry because I don't want you to be too
Which one is this?
shocked or Aurora.
Oh, our one.
Yeah. Okay, now we're going to use some Urban Decay All-Nighter. Hold your breath. And you look all hairy.
Hairy.
Yeah, it goes away though.
Flipping around.
Right, so we'll let that soak in.
Oh, holy smokes.
I use way more than that. I use like 12 sprays just on my face. Eyebrows. Oh my god,
Yes.
I'm scared to do her eyebrows. I just haven't really done anyone else's eyebrows in a long time.
Don't go too hardcore with them.
No.
Uh-oh.
It's fine. Don't uh-oh. It's fine. I'm just going to do it light like this and then mascara them. You can mascara them with that gimme brow. Mum doesn't like eyebrows like this on her. Oh, I don't even like my eyebrows today because I tried out a new product and they look like Grouch out of the trash can. That's what I look like today. I'm unhappy. My eyeliner leaked everywhere.
Oh,
It's just not a good day for that.
well,
Some days you
you're
just
beautiful anyway.
Some days you just have shit makeup days. It's just the way life goes.
Can't imagine you having
Do I need to do them like more bold or do you want them light like that?
that. I think that's
I
enough.
think a
isn't it?
little bit more in just this bit. It's a little bit uneven. This is, by the way, this is that Brow Sculpt Brow Pencil by MAC. It's a little bit more of like a balmy texture, which is why I chose it for Mum because it's not super like it's not like a pomade that goes on like mine. Like this is very light and buildable. Oh, I'll do it. I'll just try.
Okay, give it a go. You can do it.
Got
It's
my
quite
eyebrows.
light with it dark.
It's not light.
Oh.
It looks real intense at first, but it dries, so don't freak out. Like it looks gluggy, but it's not.
Okay. What lashes are you wearing today?
Illusion.
Illusion, they're cute.
How do makeup artists do this? I don't understand, like...
Yeah. Awkward.
It's...
Uh-oh.
Yeah, I got that everywhere. It's alright, we'll clean it up. That's what these are for. Hold on. Now, see, we're not compatible today. This colour balance or like lighting, I'm gonna be pale.
I look like an Oompa Loompa with orange.
I was wondering where do you get your eyebrows and stuff done these days? Because I never get mine done.
So I've gone to a new lady. This is the second time and she's lovely. Rosaria. Her name is, I think it's Jar. But Rosaria, down for Super Ad.
Yeah.
Actually, I showed her your YouTube channel yesterday.
Classic mother, like, look at my daughter.
Well, exactly. Just wait till you have kids one day. You'll be super proud of them too. Telling everyone.
By the way, guys, I'll link below mine and Mum's Q&A we did probably 2 years ago.
Oh, crikey.
Okay, so I'm just going to use some of my eyeshadow that we're doing with EXO Beauty. Go, once you go little. Oh my god, I love this colour so much. Looks so good. Look in the camera. Say subtle.
Mm-hmm.
Come back.
Jack, come back.
This colour made your eyes look even more blue too.
Pretty.
Don't know why I didn't get blue eyes, but that's fine.
Did you want blue eyes, darling?
Oh, when I was a kid I did, because all my cousins had blonde hair and blue eyes, and I was the brown-haired, brown-eyed kid, and I was like, man.
Yeah, but you had beautiful auburn hair though, and beautiful dark chocolate eyes.
To a child, I had brown hair.
You were stunning.
Yeah, I don't know why my eyes are no longer chocolate brown. I'm kind of annoyed, because I actually like the way they look these days, but oh well. Are you excited for us to launch this eyeshadow palette?
Very. It's gonna be good. Cool.
Okay, lift up your eyes and look up.
Uh-oh. This will be a nightmare.
Just a little bit.
This is where my eyes will start watering if I'm not careful.
Oh well. Tell your body to harden up. Alright, you're gonna do your own mascara.
Ooh,
What
okay.
mascara do you like using? This one?
Yeah.
Alright.
Do you want me to use that?
Yeah.
Okay. Just borrow your mirror.
Tarte gave me one or two. That one has an S on it, and then they gave me one with a V on it, and I gave it to Mum. I assume it was for her because I don't know anyone else that's got V in their name.
So cute. I love it anyway. It's so cute. Oh, this is going to be so awkward.
Why?
Doing it on camera.
It's alright.
And then do you put more mascara on once you've put the lashes on?
You can if you want. Just depends how dramatic you want them.
Yeah.
So just like try them on without it first. I hate doing lashes on other people because I always glue their eyes shut. So if that happens, tough shit.
You go real short.
You need to, otherwise they're going to stab you in your corner and make your eyes friggin'
I've
water.
only got little.
It's normal. Everyone has to trim them.
I always think it feels really weird when you first put lashes on.
Mm-hmm.
I guess, you know, even though they're as light as anything, there's still that little added weight.
Yeah, it's strange.
But then sort of you give it 5 or 10 minutes so you forget they're even there.
Yeah. I want to do your makeup in the next video we do. I'm going to match your makeup to my makeup and do like crazy dramatic makeup on you and put like these lashes on you.
Oh
And
my goodness.
you're probably gonna
crazy.
you're gonna hate it. You're gonna be like, I need to take these off right this second because you won't be used to it.
Do you reckon?
Yeah. You just blink so many times.
Sorry, let me stretch them like that. That might stop me from blinking.
It's just like the whole lash just was like taking off. Yeah, you can just like open your eyes and kind of make sure.
Oh, they feel funny. I feel like I need some Botox.
Why?
Wrinkles.
That's just what happens. Do you want to put mascara on top of them?
I think so.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. Is there any rule when you're using mascara on falsies?
Just don't go straight to the tips, go in the roots and just wiggle it and make sure you're not like applying too much. Easy to get like big clumps in the ends of them, but we can fix it if you do. It's one of my favourites. I like those like clay kind of texture, you know, like how it's kind of like a clay, like thick.
Very thick.
Yeah, I don't like watery, thin, liquidy mascaras because they just go everywhere. I prefer thick, dry ones. Alright, look up.
Oh no. Here comes the crybaby. Honestly, when I get my eyelashes and eyebrows and things done, as soon as I start touching around my eyes and my lashes and things, I just start watering.
Yeah, I'm just trying to do it quick. Jeez.
I know, sorry.
Looks good though, right?
Lovely, darling.
If you start getting watery eyes, just don't touch your lashes because they'll re-stick.
Right. Okay.
Or like just push them into place again and just wait for them to dry.
Okay. Love the lashes. So which ones are these ones?
Iris.
Iris.
Yeah.
EXO Beauty. They're so cute though. Yeah. They're very popular. I can see why, because they're
They're
quite
natural, but not like they're natural, but they're very long. And like if you actually look at you side on, which you won't be able to tell, but like they're very
but I can
curled
see, which is lovely. I can see why
They
they're
don't
so
look over the
popular.
top.
Yeah. And I think that's what I like, you know, you get that length, you get a bit of fullness, but you don't get that real obvious, oh my god, look at those false lashes.
Yeah. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of a shimmery highlight. I might just use this one that Mum chose. This is, I can't say, this one. I'll link it below. I don't actually know, probably, well, I don't think you can buy it anymore. Where is the brush that I was using before?
The brush. Dun, dun, dun. Oh, which brush is that?
Detail face.
Detail
Can you look
face.
that way? Because I need to see the light. Just on like this exact point. I don't want to put it anywhere else. Just there. Just on the highest part.
Oh, I always wonder why do you do that on the
It
nose?
just looks nice.
I feel like I'm like, Rudolph, the shiny nose reindeer.
No.
No, it's fine. It's fine. It's just when some people do it, and I think I see some people and they do it really hardcore.
Yeah.
It's extremely obvious. It's probably that I'm
You can't even...
not used to it.
Nah, it's fine. Okay. What kind of lip colour do you want? Just like pinky?
Well, I've got red nails on, but I don't think I want red lipstick, so I probably want something quite natural.
Yeah, okay. Stop! I don't want your tongue on my lip pencil.
Alright, I don't want your lip pencil on my tongue. Oh, tickle. Ah,
You're the worst.
I am.
I don't know how anyone could do makeup on people like you. You're just like, ugh, that tickles.
Oh, it just tickles. It's just like, ugh.
Why does that tickle so? It's a lip. It should not tickle this much. By the way, this is Mari lip pencil. Look how small it's getting.
You'll have to buy another one.
Funny.
We'll give you a discount.
There you go, you've just had lip injections.
Yay. Oh, what shades today?
Rescue me.
Oh,
I just got your lip. Your tooth. Stop staring me in my soul, it's creepy. You're like... If you want a bit of... Do you like gloss or not?
Yeah, I like gloss.
I've never used this. Just got a nude mood.
Oh my gosh, I've got massive lips.
Yep, nothing wrong with that.
Lip pump. Courtesy Shannon. Yeah, boo.
Well, that smells good. This is designer brands. Just got it in the mail.
It does smell quite nice, doesn't it? I'm not
I
a
like
fan
that.
of strong smelling lip balms. I really don't like it.
Lip glosses.
Lip glosses.
Rub it together.
Oh, lip balms, anything.
Yeah.
Lovely.
I still feel like your face is a bit pale, but I don't want to go overboard because you'll just start looking muddy if I try to... No, like if
Muddy.
No, it does happen. Like if you have to darken it too much, it just ends up like... Because you're not starting off that colour. You almost should have had the spray tan on your face too.
Oh, it was, but...
Washed off.
I would have washed a bit of it off, probably.
Alright, well, I think that looks pretty. You look radiant. Your skin looks very glowy, which is good.
Thank you, darling.
Do you like the way your skin looks?
I do.
Okay, so here we go. Mum is ready. Do you want to say where everything's from? What you're wearing?
So my little dress is from H&M that I bought end of last year. And my earrings, I think they're Lovisa. Just, one of those cute little shops. They're cute.
Fluffy.
Yeah, they're like a little sort of a suede feel, which is really cute.
And then the clip in the back's by this brand. I just got sent some because they said really cute,
Oh,
like
clip in
bridal
the back.
stuff. Yeah, so I'll leave that one to Mum. I want it back. What else have you got on that side?
That's
just
it.
a bit of
My
silver.
Pandora charm and my bangles and my white gold rings and...
That's nice.
Thank you,
So
darling.
there you go. There's
Love
Mum
it.
ready. Sorry if I'm a little bit tired. I am. Do we look alike?
Yes.
You probably look better than me.
Oh, whatever.
Alright, so
No.
if you guys want to see me transform my mum into me at some stage, then make sure you thumbs up and comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, leave us a comment, and yeah, hopefully you found this interesting or entertaining, even though we didn't really talk about much. It's
No.
just chill.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But thank you for doing it for me, darling.
That's alright.
Appreciate it.
Okay, we'll talk to you next time.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.